Now let's take a look at the task. It's a spatial navigation task with a trial structure. In the beginning of each trial, you always start from the same location, and then there will be a target randomly appears in the field of view, then disappears. So the goal is you control your linear and angular velocities through a joystick to steer toward this target. And if you land on the target, you'll be rewarded. Otherwise, you won't be rewarded. And on the right, you can see a video of that. Okay, so the hard part here is the task is partial observable. What I mean is, to navigate, you need to know where the target is, and you need to know where you are, right? But in this task, after the trial beginning, the target will disappear. So you won't know where the target is. You need to somehow remember it. And also you don't know where you are, right? Because there are no stable landmarks in the environment. So after you start moving, the only way you can sense where you are is through path integration. You can sense the optical flow on the ground to feel how much you had moved and to estimate where you are